When it comes to premium dishwashers, performance and silence are just the beginning. Cove, from the makers of Sub-Zero and Wolf, is redefining what it means to be clean. In this video, we'll show you how Cove delivers industry-leading results and why it might be the last dishwasher you'll ever need. Cove dishwashers feature quality manufacturing. It is built by the Sub-Zero group, and Cove is designed by the same engineers behind Sub-Zero and Wolf, so the performance and build quality reflect that same standard of excellence. They have a 20-year life expectancy. While most dishwashers are built to last around 8 to 10 years, maybe a decade, Cove is engineered for twice the lifespan, 20 years of reliable cleaning. And this is thanks to their 100% test and leak protection. They're tested throughout the production cycle, and every Cove unit undergoes rigorous quality checks from start to finish to ensure consistent performance. 100% of tub leaks are tested before assembly. There aren't any shortcuts. Every tub is individually tested to ensure it's completely watertight before they finally assemble it. And then lastly, the leak protection, they use a conductivity sensor. So if there's any water that collects in the base, a sensor detects it immediately and stops the cycle, protecting your kitchen from leaks and water damage. Speaking of protection and testing, door springs are tested 100,000 times. The door mechanism is tested to withstand daily use year after year, reflecting Cove's commitment to long-term durability. Speaking of durable, they feature a stainless steel tub. The stainless steel interior is not only durable and quiet, but also hygienic. It doesn't absorb odors and stains like plastic tubs can. Cove champions a superior cleaning system, and it all starts with their 4-stage filtration, which continuously filters water through 4 levels just to ensure that the dishes are always clean with fresh particle-free water. And they have a dual motor pump separation, so the dirty water that's pulled through the dedicated drain system, it's not going to mix back in, ensuring only clean water touches your dishes. And there's also a one-way valve to prevent the backflow. So there's a smart valve that's going to prevent the dirty water from re-entering the tub, especially after it's been drained. And this is going to ensure a hygienic cycle from start to finish. Cove dishwashers feature 45 total spray jets for full coverage. With spray jets on the top, middle, and bottom arm, every rack and dish will get complete targeted coverage. Next, let's talk about the drying system from Cove. It features a fan-assisted drying system. Instead of pulling out residual heat, Cove uses a drying fan to pull moisture off the dishes. Cove does not use a heater to dry the dishes, unlike some other dishwashers. And moisture exits through an external air channel. That moisture is safely vented out of the tub through an external channel, avoiding damage to nearby cabinets and counters. And there's an optional extended dry feature as well. So if you want even drier results, the extended dry option runs the fan for an extra 30 minutes. So if you're running plastics or there's a humid environment in the dishwasher, you can go ahead and add on this feature as well. Quiet operation is the name of the game with dishwashers in 2025. At 41 decibels, Cove is one of the quietest dishwashers on the market. It is quieter than a normal conversation. And this is because there are 23.2 pounds of insulation, a ½ inch thick, featured in the dishwasher. This denim blanket insulates the top, sides, and door access panel. The 23.2 pounds of insulation. And a dishwasher isn't a dishwasher without the ultimate rack flexibility, and it starts with the upper utensil rack. These are going to have glides on sleeved roller bearings. It's going to pull out and push in nice and smooth. It's going to feel premium. There's going to be no friction or wobbling. It has 4 position configurations with lift out trays. You can adjust or remove the trays to fit tall items or carry utensils straight to the drawer. And lastly, it features a heavy-duty premium wire. It's a reinforced frame that's going to keep the rack steady and balanced, even when you load it up. Next is the middle rack. There are 3 positions that are adjustable in height. The middle rack adjusts to fit dishes of any height, giving you the flexibility that you need for just about anything. You can tilt one side for larger items below. So if you have something tall and you need to make space, it's perfect for that. And then the wash arm clearance guard. It's a built-in guard that's going to ensure that the spray arm underneath never gets blocked by the dishes. Lastly, we have the lower rack. It is perfect for stemware shelves that are going to be able to adjust for different glass sizes Whether it's a champagne flute or water glasses, you're going to have the stemware shelving flexibility available to you. Every other tine folds down. You can flatten half the rack to fit pots, pans, or awkward items without cramming. And then there's also, this is the great place for large items if you want to fit them sideways. We're talking about casserole dishes, big pans, things like that. If you wanted to load it sideways without blocking any spray arms, this is the perfect dishwasher for you. It also features an easy to use and intuitive control panel. It's backlit, it's touch button display, it's responsive, it's elegant, it's very modern here in 2025, and it has that high-end look and feel, and it's very easy to clean, so don't worry about anything collecting, especially grime or water or dirt. If you notice, it also has an LCD screen for the cycle information. You can see the china and crystal on the left. It's crisp. Display gives you clear feedback about what cycle you're running and how much time remains. Cove dishwashers also have an LED interior lighting. It has 4 strategically placed LED lights, 2 on the top and 2 on the sides. That's going to brighten the entire tub. So no more losing utensils or glasses in the shadows. It's going to improve that visibility for loading and unloading. The light makes it easy to see the dishes, how they're positioned, and anything that you may have missed. When it comes to model options, you will have 4 to choose from. An important note is all Cove dishwashers come panel ready. You'll either have to supply your own custom panel or choose a panel from Cove that features either the tubular or pro handle. The first 2 options are the standard 24-inch wide that comes with or without a water softener, and for ADA height applications, you'll also have a water softener option available too if you'd like. Cove dishwashers combine industry-leading engineering, thoughtful design, and unmatched flexibility to deliver truly premium cleaning experiences. If you're looking for a dishwasher to perform and they're built to last, Cove stands in a category of its own.